Hey, hello, and welcome once again to my channel. This reflects image your neighborhood manipulator. And if this is your first time visiting, don't forget to click the like button and also do follow us, do subscribe to our channel, and also try sharing our videos with others that might be in need of it. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how I created these optical snoots. Here's what our picture look like. I've actually manipulated my background. This is not the way the background is, and I've done my retouching, but I'm yet to do the color grading. So here is the finishing of everything. I'm going to be showing you how I actually created this optical snoot right there. So stay tuned, and all the files I use in editing my pictures, they are available for sale in my store. Kindly go and get them there today. This picture will be dropped for you guys to practice with and send back to me for corrections later in the day. So with no further ado, let's jump into action. As you can see, this layer is not part of it. This is just a format layer. It's just for me to display the result of what I'll be doing for you in this particular video. So don't mind this layer. In case you're working on your Photoshop, this layer is not part of it. So turn it off. So here's where our layer starts from. Here is our background layer, and here is our model layer. Let me rename it to model layer. So this layer, I've already removed my model from the backdrop. I don't want to take much of my time. There's tons of video on my channel that will teach you how to do that. As you can see right now, here's my model layer, here's my background layer. So the next thing I'll be doing right now is to select on my model, hold down my control key, but before I do that, let me show you the easier techniques. Now click on your background layer. After that, create an empty new layer between your background layer and your model layer. So here's where to create an empty new layer. After you're done with that, hold down your control key and click on the marks of your model layer. Once you're done with that, use the navigational key to shift the arrow away from your models. As you can see, all your subjects. So you can direct it to whatever location you want it to be. I think I want mine to be around this way. So the next thing I'll be doing after that is to right click on, go to my polygonal axle tool, right click on it, then I'm going to go to fill. I'll fill with 100% black, go to color 100% black, and I'm going to click on my OK, Ctrl D to deselect. But the issue I'm having right now is I only want it to be in a circular format, but it's already covering everything I want for me, which is what I don't like. So I'm going to be making adjustment to that right now. So after we're done with this selection, now click on your model layer, then go to your ecliptical marquee tool, which is right over here. Click on it, hold down your shift key, then you circle around your model this way. So let's say this is the way we want it to be. As you can see, the next thing you'll be doing right now is to invert the selection by clicking on Ctrl Shift and I. As you can see, so under this layer right now, which we actually created here, this is our layer 6 where we created the shadow. So just click on your delete key there. As you can see, so it's going to delete that part for you. So here's where we want our shadow to get to. Then we'll go to our adjustment layer, click on solid color. We are going to fill it 100% black. Then we'll click on our OK. So this is just a video tutorial, so you can just take your possible time to do it. You can just perfect your cycle. So I'm just trying to show you something right now. So let's say I'm done with this right now. All I just need to do is to click on the feather over here. Click on the feather. Then I'm going to increase the feather. I'm going to increase the feather to about 61 is okay. So under this also, I can't use the feather right now, so I will use the blur instead of the feather because I can't use the feather because I did not create a mask on it. So I did not create it using a mask. But shall we do that right now? Okay, let's create it using a mask right now. So we'll be able to feather it. So we're going to hold down our control key, click on it. So this right now, you're going to turn it off. Click on your solid, click on adjustment layer, which is right over here. Then click on your solid color. Fill it 100% black. Then you click on your OK. So this time around, you can now go to the feather, then increase it. What regions do we use here? Let's see. We use 58.9. So here we're going to use 58.92. 58.9. Click on our OK. As you can see right now. So after doing that, what you just need to do is to bring down the opacity. Let's bring it down. Okay, I think 50 is okay. Let's go for 50. And this also we are going to go for 50%. And boom, automatically we've actually done that. Add lights using Photoshop. Actually, this should be done with an optical snoot, but since we don't have it and want to create something like this, then we use a manipulation for it. So I think we actually achieved something similar to this, though this is way wider than this other one and well composed. So you can just take your time and do it. I'm just showing the step. You don't have to do the same exact thing I do. So just create other shapes with it. Not necessary it's going to be a circular format. So you can also decide to create a love with it. So whatever you just choose, just make sure you do it right. So I'm looking forward to someone who's going to create a love instead of a circular one this way. There'll be a special gift for that particular person. So I hope this video helps one way or the other. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys on my next tutorial. One love. So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my presets file. So in case you're interested in buying any one, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.